Shall I play a song on this guitar? Maybe not now, because this September the Apple is nearer and iPhone leaks and rumors are kicking off the internet and YouTube. Hi, I'm Krishna from Crystal Organ. Let's find out what potential surprises we are getting this year with the new iPhone 13. Yes, you heard it right. Based on Chinese website, the phone will be called iPhone 13. Regardless of the 13 number, in some countries like China is unfavorable. Now the iPhone notch is getting smaller as new technology will make it able to pack all the sensors like Face ID into a smaller area. The Android has smaller notch or punch hole from years, but the iPhone is getting it right this year. How is that? Besides that, the new iPhones are coming in more colors like pink or orange. Talking about the display, there is a strong leak suggesting that the display of iPhone 13 will get a boost to refresh at 120 Hz along with a always-on display for quick sneak of time and maybe a notification. Again, this has been in Android like from Samsung from early, but you know Apple is known to perfect the game before it brings new technology to the public. And the camera of iPhone has always won the heart of many people. This time around, the camera improvement will not be an exception. Bigger sensors, LiDAR scanner on all models, improved ultra-wide camera, portrait video mode, and ultra-low light capabilities are some tiers in mobile camera technology that Apple is rumored to improve in next iPhone. A new iPhone is not possible without an upgraded chip, which must go through all the processing of new features made available in the iPhone. So Apple's A15 Bionic will come in Sport, which will also be capable of handling streams of data from maxed out 1TB ROM iPhone 13. Alongside 1TB iPhone and A15 chip, rumors also suggest that there will be improvement on the battery capacity from 2805 mAh last year's size to 3905 mAh in new iPhone 13. Lastly, the most amazing upgrade of the iPhone will certainly shock most of you, if not everybody. And that is the iPhone 13 could be able to call or text using satellite without mobile company or carrier. Well, this might seem wow at the first, as you may be able to use your phone at the center of desert or Amazon forest, but it's not clear how the Apple will implement it in terms of charging, subscription to the user or carrier support throughout the country and beyond. Alright, while it looks the iPhone 13 is coming up with a hefty upgrade, there is always a downside of getting bigger feature with the Apple, and that is the price. You got it right. Yes, the iPhone 13 may not be available with the same price as the previous models, as a big increase in price is expected. Well, I think when other Android phones companies are making a good or black flagship level and affordable price tag, Apple seems to make phones more costly year by year, which obviously will cut down the iPhone users at some point in future. This was all the rumors and leaks I got from the internet, and I suggest you take it all with a grain of salt. Please do subscribe to this channel if you are into a technology squad, or maybe you want to learn more on technology, and also hit that bell icon so that you won't miss a single video from me. Thank you for watching and coming to Crystal Organ family. Namaste.